Right guys, today we are going to be doing a different style of video. This is going to be a hands-on product review, and if you want to see more stuff like this, please drop a like and hit the bell notification. So first things first, I was approached by this company called Silex. So what Silex are offering is a ceramic coating that is DIY, a kit that means you can do it yourself, apply it, and it's really easy to do, and it's a fraction of the cost of what you'd actually spend on a detailer doing it for you. So for an example, I poured water directly over my tank before applying this product, just so you can see how the water kind of spreads and kind of stays in place. And the first product I used was the Silex wax and grease remover. Basically you just spray this on, light misting over your bodywork, and let it kind of soak in, just to get rid of any contaminants and grease and wax that you may have on it. Once that's been applied, you just need to go over with a microfiber cloth and just clean it all down, make sure everything's nice and clean. It's a really good cleaning product in itself. It gets all the dirt and grease off, but most importantly it makes way for the ceramic coating that you're going to apply next. Now the ceramic coating itself, it's a really interesting technology because it's very hydrophobic, meaning the water is going to disperse away from this product, and believe it or not, this will last a fair few washes. Just like the wax and grease remover, you just want to spray it on a nice even coat, in my case over the tank, and then it's just as simple as spraying it on, wiping off, and then letting it dry, and basically that's it, you're done. So we'll pour a bit more water over the tank, and you can see, and instantly you can just see the water beading off and not sticking to the surface. This is really good because when you're riding, it should just roll off the bodywork and leave your tank nice and clean without leaving any residue. So I was massively impressed with this. I will admit and say it's not as good as a professional ceramic coating, but for the cost, you cannot really argue. I've been told that it doesn't have to be on just bodywork, it can be put on anything, which is pretty cool. Now the best thing for you to do if you want to keep this protective layer is use their silica soap. It's just a nice friendly soap that you can use on top of it to keep your ceramic coating long lasting, which will just keep your bodywork looking fresher for longer. And as I say, it's just ideal for over the winter period because they just get so dirty with all the rain and the bad weather that we do get in this country. So overall, I'm quite impressed with this product. It's a super easy DIY alternative, and I'm happy to give you my honest opinion with this product. And I do feel with time, after riding it out and seeing how this works properly, I can give you a proper update and let you know how it works in the long run. But for now, so there you have it guys. This product is a really good way of keeping your bike clean over the winter. It's not just a winter product, but it can be used all year round, so I'm going to be using it on the car and on my bike. If you want to find more information about them, links to their website and their Instagram down below. If you like this sort of video and you want to see more product reviews, let me know down below and we'll see if we can get some other products in. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.